Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through how to install and set up your Sellsy Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on it. You're going to click on Install and select the account in which you want your app to be installed. Select your account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then the custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link and head over back to your account. Click on Settings. Under your settings, scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. Click on Create New. You're going to select your link icon. You're going to enter your link title and you're going to paste your custom menu link here. Scroll down and select your account, and here you're going to give access to who can see this link. We'll be choosing all. Once you're done, click on Save. Next thing, you're going to switch to your account, scroll down and actually search for your custom menu link, click on it, search for the app and click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you're going to have access to your documentations. We have the tutorials. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to your Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. Under the setup, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to copy your redirect URL and head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your profile menu, click on Settings, scroll down and click on Developer Portal. Click on API, click on Create API Access. You're going to select the type of access. We'll be selecting Private. Scroll down and enter your access name. And here we're going to paste our redirect URL. Scroll down and click on Save. There we go. Our key has been created. So you're going to copy your client ID and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your client ID. Head over back to your account online. Copy your client secret. Head over back to your account and paste. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. Then you're going to click on Allow and then you head over back to your account. As you can see, our app has been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We equally have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates or the changes concerning the app. In order to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.